In 1895, Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen discovered X-rays, a form of electromagnetic radiation that could penetrate various materials. This groundbreaking discovery revolutionized medical imaging and experimental physics, allowing scientists to see inside the human body and study the structure of materials in unprecedented detail. Just a year later, in 1896, Henri Becquerel stumbled upon natural radioactivity while investigating phosphorescence in uranium salts. He found that these salts emitted unknown radiation that could fog photographic plates, laying the groundwork for future research into radioactive elements. Marie and Pierre Curie made significant strides in 1898 by discovering the radioactive elements polonium and radium. Their work was crucial in understanding radioactive decay and introduced the concept of half-life, which describes the time it takes for half of a radioactive substance to decay. In 1899, Ernest Rutherford distinguished between alpha and beta radiation. His later gold foil experiment in 1911 revealed that atoms have a small, dense nucleus surrounded by electrons, fundamentally changing our understanding of atomic structure. In 1913, Niels Bohr developed the Bohr model of the atom, incorporating quantum theory to explain atomic structure and electron behavior. This model was pivotal in advancing our understanding of how atoms function. Meanwhile, in 1905, Albert Einstein explained the photoelectric effect, demonstrating the particle nature of light. This work laid the groundwork for quantum mechanics, a field that would revolutionize physics in the 20th century and beyond. Ernest Rutherford continued to make groundbreaking discoveries in 1917 when he discovered the proton by observing hydrogen nuclei being emitted during nitrogen gas bombardment. This discovery was crucial for understanding atomic structure. In 1932, James Chadwick discovered the neutron, a neutral particle in the atomic nucleus. This discovery explained the missing mass in atoms and allowed for a better understanding of isotopes, which are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. In 1934, Enrico Fermi developed the theory of beta decay, introducing the concept of the weak nuclear force and neutrinos, which are fundamental to particle physics. His work was essential in understanding the forces that govern atomic nuclei. In 1938, Hans Bethe explained the processes of nuclear fusion in stars, particularly the proton-proton chain reaction and the CNO cycle. These processes are critical for stellar nucleosynthesis, the formation of elements in stars. The development of particle accelerators like the cyclotron by Ernest O. Lawrence in the 1930s and the synchrotron enabled high-energy experiments and the discovery of new particles. The study of cosmic rays also led to significant discoveries, such as the positron in 1932 by Carl Anderson and the muon in 1936 by Anderson and Seth Nettermeyer. These discoveries expanded our understanding of the subatomic world. In the 1940s, Richard Feynman, Julian Schwinger, and Shinichiro Tominaga developed quantum electrodynamics, or QED, providing a quantum theory of electromagnetic interactions. This work laid the foundation for the standard model of particle physics. The discovery of the pion in 1947 by Cecil Powell explained the strong nuclear force, further advancing our understanding of elementary particles. Ernest Rutherford, often called the father of nuclear physics, laid foundational principles with his work on radioactivity, the nuclear model of the atom, and the discovery of the proton. Marie Curie pioneered research on radioactivity, winning 2 Nobel Prizes and discovering radium and polonium. Niels Bohr developed the Bohr model of the atom and contributed to quantum mechanics. James Chadwick's discovery of the neutron was crucial for nuclear physics. Enrico Fermi developed theories of beta decay and worked on the first nuclear reactor. Richard Feynman was a key developer of QED and made significant contributions to particle physics and quantum computing. These foundational discoveries and figures established the framework for modern nuclear and particle physics, leading to the development of the Standard Model and advancements in understanding the fundamental forces and particles in the universe.